going on, everyone? I'm Russ with Expert Barber Beauty Academy. Today we're packing up for the Texas State Board Barber exam. This is for the haircut service. This is a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag with easy open, easy close, and it is labeled haircut service. Inside that bag, you're going to need 2 towels to wrap up your clippers. So I like to wrap them up twice. Start with the big one, fold it, roll it, get your trimmer, have the blades going opposite directions. Flip it over once, and then add your shears in. Flip it over, tuck everything in, flip it, and then just to make sure this doesn't get broken during transportation, we're going to roll it one more time. Place it inside the bag, and you're going to have another bag with your neck strips. Place that inside. You're going to need a clipper comb and a regular hair cutting comb. Place those in there. A third towel for wiping off the hair from the mannequin's face. And we are also going to need a cape. Once everything's in there, go ahead and squeeze out all the air. Seal up your bag. And this bag is now ready to go. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.